Kraken staking investing service honest review watch before using. Most people think cryptocurrency only makes money when prices go up, but here's the surprising truth. You can also earn passive income through staking, and that is where Kraken staking comes in. Kraken is a well-known crypto exchange that allows users to stake certain cryptocurrencies and earn rewards over time. Here's what most people get wrong. They think staking is complicated. Kraken makes it simple by handling the technical process for you. You choose an eligible asset, enable staking, and start earning rewards automatically. The surprising truth is that staking can provide steady returns even in sideways markets. Kraken staking is best for long-term crypto holders who want to grow their assets. If you already use Kraken, staking is a smart way to earn more from your crypto. Subscribe to the channel for more crypto investing reviews and passive income strategies. Title start BitPay card honest review watch before using title PND script start BitPay card honest review watch before using. Most people think cryptocurrency is hard to spend in real life, but here's the surprising truth. With the right tools, you can use your crypto just like cash. That's where the BitPay card comes into play. The BitPay card is a prepaid debit card that allows you to load cryptocurrency and spend it anywhere major cards are accepted. It converts your crypto into local currency at the point of purchase, making everyday spending simple. Here's what most people get wrong. They think crypto cards are complicated. In reality, the BitPay card is designed for easy use. You load your wallet, transfer funds to the card, and swipe or tap like any other debit card. You can use the BitPay card for online shopping, groceries, subscriptions, and even ATM withdrawals in supported locations. The surprising truth is that crypto adoption is growing fast, and cards like this bridge the gap between digital assets and everyday purchases. The BitPay card is best for crypto users who want real-world spending power without manually converting assets through exchanges. If you want to make your cryptocurrency usable in daily life, the BitPay card is worth considering. Subscribe to the channel for more fintech and crypto tool reviews.